Namaskar my dear friends. Let us try to understand how to find maximum of two numbers. So this program will tell you how you can determine which number is maximum. So let us say we start MATLAB untitled. Okay. So let us say two numbers are a equal to 10 and we have b is equal to 20. So in MATLAB you know already that a is a variable with the values 10 and b is a variable with value 20, right? So we will use if else statement to find out which one is bigger. Okay. So if a is greater than b, then what we will do? We can write down print statement a is greater than b, or maximum number is a. Okay. So f printf we will use for that. F printf will tell maximum is equal to percentage d slash n. If you put, then it will take you to the next line. Okay, so that is always recommended, and put it a. Okay, so this is how you are going to print a is greater than b. It means maximum number is actually a. What else you will do? You will tell that if a is less than b, then it will be b will be maximum, right? So for that, what will you do? Else if b is greater than a, then same statement you will print here, but the value will be now b. Okay, so maximum is percentage d, which is going to be b. Now if both conditions are not true, like a is not greater than b, b is not greater than a, then what will happen? Both of them will be equal. So we can put else print statement both the numbers are equal. Okay, both the numbers are equal. Okay, and then since it was if a statement, so you can see there is a red line under that, so that will get end only when, or that will get closed only when you end the statement. So this is a complete program for finding the maximum number of two numbers a and b, which is going to give you. So let us try to run it and see. So max of two numbers. Okay, I am writing the code name or the file name as max of 2. So max of 2 has run, and as you can see the maximum is equal to 20. Okay, now let me just make a is equal to 30, so maximum should become as 30. Okay, so maximum is coming as 30. Now this is good. Now what we'll do is we'll just make this comment and we'll take numbers from the user input. Okay, so let us say a is equal to input. I have already taught you how to take input from the users, right? So you have to write down input and you give them a like prompt statement. So input number. Okay, so I am going to ask him or her to give a number. Okay, so a will be storing that number, right? Similar to that, I will store another number for b. Okay, so input a number which will be stored in b. Now you run it, it will ask user for input a number. Okay, or I will tell input number 1 and input number 2, so it will be easy for you to recognize. Now let's run it. So as you can see, input number 1. Okay, so let us say I am going to put 50. Then it is asking input number 2. Let us say I am going to put 100. So once you press enter, the maximum number should be 100. Okay, so maximum is 100. Let's run one more time. I am going to put input number as let's say 10 and input number 2 as let's say 5. So my bigger number should be, or the maximum number should be 10. So 10. So this is how you can put this. So this was all about programming the two numbers, or like finding the two numbers using your own program. MATLAB has inbuilt program as well. So I'll just tell you max num, okay, is equal to, I am going to store the maximum number in a variable max underscore num. Okay, and just put a keyword max and list out the numbers, which is a comma b. Okay, so if you put a comma b max number, so max number will have the maximum number of a and b which is there inside. Okay, and you can say that maximum number is percentage d max number. Okay, so what will you do? You can print, if you want you can print a statement, otherwise no need. So maximum number is maximum percentage d max num. Okay, now let's run it and see. So now we have two methods. First of all, it is asking input number 1, so let us say 20. Input number 2, let us say 40. So you will see that maximum is 40. Similar to that, max num is also calculated as 40, and you can see maximum is 40. Understood? So if you want you can print out, or otherwise you don't have to print out. If this number is coming max num 40, that is because you have not suppressed through semicolon. Okay, so hope you have a complete understanding about how to find maximum of two numbers. If you do have any questions, you can put down your comments in the comment box and we shall be able to answer you out. Thank you.